Hello guys, welcome back to AS Learning. So in this video we are going to see how can you make first character of each word as a uppercase in Java. So let's start with the video. So consider this a sample string, that is string str equal to Virat, Rohit, Dhoni. So we have to just make this first letter, that is of V, R and D as a capital, and rest are as it is. So we will pass the string to our function in which we will write the logic. So consider this as function, first letter caps, you can provide any name, any meaningful name. So I have just initialized the final string which will hold a result to empty. So first thing you have to do is to convert the given string, sorry, to split the given string by using space. So there will be two situations. First, if it contains single word like this, so there will be no need to of space logic, splitting with space logic. But if your string contains space like this, any meaningful statement, so it will obviously contain space. For that we have to consider that scenario also. So what we will do, we will just initialize string one array string array equal to, and we will just split that given string with the space. Regex will be space. Okay, so let's try to run or print this array first. We will see the output, then you will get the better understanding. So string as r, so if we just print the content of this array, so you will get run, okay, Virat, Rohit, Dhoni. So just we have to make this first letter as uppercase. So in below this we will write, we will just initialize or create two variables, that is string first letter. And how can we get first letter? Obviously by str.char at index 0. 0th index will be a first letter. Okay, so it will be a char, as it will return only single letter. And one more variable will be string final result, as I already declared, so will not declare again, just directly use final result. Okay, so we have to make this uppercase, so just directly we can use character dot to uppercase and pass this first letter to that uppercase function as argument, and then simply just append the others letter logic. Okay, actually we have not initialized it, so let's create one more variable which will hold the other letters except first one, string other letters. And how can we get this? str dot substring begin index will be 1, as a 0th will be our first letter which we already used, and end index will be till the end of string, so str dot length. Okay, and just append this other letters value to here. Sorry. Okay, so this is a final, okay, sorry, string. Okay, I will just write here one statement to get it and understand clearly. So as will be after split, and here once we make the first character as uppercase, here we will just print once is out, and after uppercase. Okay, as will be a final string. So let's run this program once. Okay, actually it has only printed first. So what's the mistake we have done? Actually we are just looping that for loop with the help of this string s, and we are just putting the operation at a caret 0. So we just have to replace this str with a inner string which we are using in for loop. So if we save and run now, so yeah, that's it. Virat after two case, Rohit and Dhoni. So if you notice, the output here is it is returning one word at a time. So we can fix it by, actually we will just append it here every time the for loop runs, and we will just also add a space here, as we have original string we have space. So just add, and if we save and run now, so yeah, it printed that. So in first it will just print Virat, okay, as it is in for loop. So first word will be Virat, so it is just applying that to uppercase to Virat. Then in second loop it will apply to only Virat and Rohit, and in third we will get final result, final string Virat, Rohit, Dhoni. So that's how you can convert the first letter of given words, each word in the given string, to uppercase. So I hope you got the concept. Please let me know your thoughts in comment section. Till then, subscribe to our channel AS Learning and stay safe.